Hello, this is going to be the recap for Tuesday, March the 20th. We had 4 total trades today, 1 winner for 1 point, 3 losers for 1.5 points, net loss of 2 ticks. Again, it's kind of look at how the market was. We started off with a nice move to the downside, thought it was going to be a rocking day like yesterday was, and a nice move that gave us our point for the day. Then it turned back up and gave us a long that was on the wrong side of the open, so we passed. And then we identified here, just in this area here, when we got these 2 losses and we're at a break even, that it was chop and probably should have just taken the money and run, or really it would have been a break even at this point. And so we still mark it up, as you know. It is what it is. We got another loser here. This is what put us down 2 ticks. And then we just didn't get anything except for another trade that popped on the other side, on the wrong side of the open, by a couple of ticks. And you can see now it went down, and now it's turning right back to the upside. So just not a very good market today, as it kind of just channeled sideways. On the other hand, taking a look at the euro, just reviewing it from the 2 o'clock open here, which was, the London Open. Nice little trade to the downside. There's 2 exits here, and you want to look at that. Look at these small triggers. If you took these, and I'm going to mark it, you either hit a 10-tick target if that's your target, which is atypical for the euro. But today, if you would have just stayed in until, say, closed on the other side of the small triggers, these are your small triggers that are red and down, and got out here when it closed on the other side of the small triggers, and then it would have been this loser here. So you had 2 nice winners to the downside. Again, another one to the downside. Get out here when it closes on the other side of the small triggers. This one here was a long that didn't work, but you get out when it closes on the other side of the small triggers. Another loser here, but you're out here when it closes on the other side of the small triggers. Again, this one here, this one goes up 30 ticks, and surely you would have had a target hit, but if not, you could get out when you got on the other side of the small triggers. And again, same with this one, you would have gotten out actually here with that one that closed below the small triggers. So you can see it would have been a great day on the euro. That's easily 20, 40. I think I estimated just in this area at around 80 ticks profit and 25 ticks in loss. That was the estimate based on getting out not at a set target, but when it closed on the opposite side of the small triggers. So that's what 55 ticks profit you could have made today on the euro. So great day on the euro. It had some movement, finally getting that volume back after the rollover, which was slow coming. But Easy Trader, just a little sideways market today. You can see it's currently plotting a long signal here. We'll see if it's got any legs. But we'll talk to you tomorrow, folks, and hopefully the market will be rocking on the E-mini. Bye-bye.